Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with another Boxycharm video, and this is for the Boxycharm Premium, and this is the middle of the tiers that they have. So with Boxycharm Premium you are supposed to get over $175 of product, and you are supposed to get 6 to 7 full-sized products, and you get to customize one item every month. And this one is $35. So there's also the base box, which is $25, and it says that you'll get an average of over $120. You get 5 full-size items and you get to make one choice item. And then every third month they do Boxy Luxe, and it says average of over $250. 8+ full-size items, and you get to customize up to 2 items, and that one is $49.99. So you have a bunch of choices that you could make. So this one is just like a bigger, better, supposed to have more high-end brands in it, but we've been seeing items that we've gotten in here the next month they're in the base box. So at this point I'm not really sure what the advantage is of doing this, if the items are going to show up in the other box. I've kind of been trying to track and see like how often that's happening, and they've been repeating a bunch of stuff. Like they've sent me brushes 3 months in a row, face brushes 3 months in a row, and I'm like, I've probably gotten mascara like I don't even know how many months in a row. Just seems like they are bombarding us with mascara and brushes. So I already know what's in the box, obviously. So we'll talk about what's in it. We'll talk about what I think about some of the products that are in it. So if you get Boxycharm, you'll have to let me know about your box and what you got and what you thought. And if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have a link, or it's like a referral code. You get a free item and I get 500 charms, which they have like a pop-up, or what's it called? Boxy, I don't know, it's the charm room where you can buy stuff with your charms, I guess. So yeah, that's it. That's the deal with Boxycharm. It's like a makeup mystery box, except you get to like choose 1 or 2 items. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you enjoy the video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're a returning watcher, welcome back. I'll just tell you quick what's on my eyes is the Sigma Cor De Rosa palette. There went the brush. Comes with a nice dual-ended Sigma brush and all these beautiful shades. So that is what's on my eyes, and I did end up getting a couple of the Revlon Super Shine lip products. This one is in Rum Raisin, and it's got a really nice texture to it. So far I'm liking that. And yeah, so let's see what is in the box. I had heard people saying that there were people that got boxes that were only worth $108. and it's supposed to be $175, and that Boxycharm sent them an email and said, here's $25 you can use in the pop-up. But that's still not $175 a product. So I don't know what's been going on with them lately, but I've heard from lots of different people that they've been disappointed, and that seems like they're just trying to clear out old stock, because this month we saw a lot of recycled products, which if you haven't had Boxycharm before, that's good, because there may be stuff that you missed out on, and or maybe you didn't get that variation. So that's nice, because they're supposed to keep track and not send you repeats. So this month is the theme of Mother Nature, really pretty card, and it just says packed with gloves and love. So the first item here I have is another mascara, and this is the Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara, and it says this is $29, and it says it's a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes their fullest while being soft to the touch. Even after multiple applications, it's formulated with Japanese camellia oil and to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. Sounds good. Next up, we have the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Gold Bronzer. Now this says matte bronzer on here, but I don't think this is a matte bronzer. And is it just, let's see. Yeah, this is the shade called Luminous. Nice packaging, it's really cute. Got the little heart there. Let's see if we can get it open. Didn't know I had to be an expert to open up a Too Faced package. There's what it looks like. Looks pretty. This is $30. Yeah, it's got like a sheen to it, but I think for the summertime that would be really pretty. Give you a little bit of a glow along with your bronzer. It's pretty. So excited to give that a try. And then we have this is where the first problem starts. We have the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. It says it's a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. Antioxidant rich rice bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow. Wear on your cheeks as a glossy blush, on lips as a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size fits into your bag. Tiny apartment. They weren't kidding. They really, well, they didn't try, they did. They sent us a mini. And these are all supposed to be full-sized products. This is not a full size. And you know how I know? Well, this is $15. Full-size ones are like $24. Here's your free Sephora gift for the year, along with the sample of the Kush mascara. They're the same size. So they gave us half of a freebie from Sephora. So this is in the shade Astro. And you love how they emphasize twice in the description that they gave you a mini. Like, we can tell it's a mini. That's what it looks like. I mean, look at how small these are. And what did I say the shade was? Oh, Astro. So, I mean, it's not like I'm gonna run out of makeup anytime soon, but I just don't like when they try to preach that, oh, all of ours are full size. Like, this is something I would expect to get in a $10, or is it $15 now, Ipsy bag. You know, this is not, yeah, it's really, really got a nice texture to it. It's almost like a glossy lip balm, I guess. Not really have a smell. So I guess this one is the glowy version and this one is a matte version, but it definitely is a mini version. And I love how they pointed that out twice, that it's a mini. I don't know why they would emphasize the fact that they're sending us minis in a box where they promise full size. Next up, and that was 15. Next up, Battington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. Third month in a row, I've received a powder and contour brush set. So 3 months in a row now. I had the Alamar brushes. I had the brushes last month that were on the Boxy pop-up sale for $3. And now I have another brush set. And this is a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. And these, they say these brushes are $90, you guys. Okay, this is not Tom Ford. This is a lash brand. $90, I mean, that's just ridiculous. They're really pretty. They feel nice and weighty. Ooh, really soft. They feel really nice. But I really, $90, who would pay $90 for 2 brushes? I just wish that they wouldn't inflate the prices to make you think that you're getting a better deal than you're getting, because who is paying $90 for these 2 brushes? They could buy Tom Ford, they could buy Wayne Goss. I mean, the only thing I've ever seen from Battington actually is lashes. So I don't know, that's just kind of bizarre. So it says this high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessory. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. $90. I don't know. Next up we have by Tarte. This is from their like Teeny Bop line, the Sugar Rush line, and this is their Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Cute packaging. It's tiny though. Look at how tiny that is. And this is a $12 value. Ooh, it smells good. It doesn't smell like flowers though. I thought it was going to smell like flowers for some reason. It's got like a kind of a vanilla scent to it. It smells really good. My lips are always dry, so I can always use a lip item, so that's cute. And this is in the, I guess, the shade Peony. Well, let's see, we can swatch it, I guess, and see. I mean, it looks pretty light, but we'll see what we got. Yeah, there's no shade to it. It's just like a lip balm. It smells really good. It smells kind of like vanilla or something like that. So that says you'll have the real MVP, most valuable pout with this hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. Okay, so $12. And then the last item we have here is from Pure Heals Centella 90 Ampoule Serum, a soothing serum containing 90% of Centella asiatica extract, relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin's barrier. This serum contains ceramide 3, which helps strengthen damaged skin's moisture barrier and keeps the skin clear from the external environment, and it is $28. So not a bad price. I mean, if it was something that you really liked. So it's by Pure Heals by Nature Village, and you get 1.01 ounces. And let's see. That looks like kind of like a gel almost. Let's see here. I just ran out of the Kate Somerville one that we got. I saw it in the Boxy pop-up and it was still $30. I only bought 2 items in the Boxy pop-up. That feels nice. I bought one of the Violet Voss Best Life Ever palettes and one of the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. So this is just like a serum. So it sounds like if you have irritated or sensitive skin, maybe this would be good. Soothing ampules with, I don't know what that Centella asiatica is. Relieves irritation. So if you have, sensitive or red skin, this would probably be really good for your skin. Okay, now let's add this up and see what this bad boy added up to. Okay, mine came to $204. So definitely above the $175 threshold that they promise, but I just don't agree with like this, the inflation of a price to make your box seem like it's worth more, because I don't know who's paying $90 for these kind of things. And I do not like when they put minis into something that they promise is a full size. So those are the two things. So I'm going to use the products like I always do all month long, and then I'll come back next month and let you know how the products work for me, if I liked them, if I think they're worth it. I mean, I paid $35 for the box, so I mean, I'm going to get my money's worth out of it no matter what. It's just more principle type thing for me, is that if you say you're going to send me a full-size product, don't send me a mini. This is a mini. You know, now if you sent me 2 of these maybe, or you sent like the Sephora gift, like a sample of the mascara and a mini, or you sent like the bronzer and the blush, you know, both minis, then I could see. But this is most definitely a mini. They even were so kind to point it out to us that it was a mini. I think that's kind of funny that they would point it out like 2 times in the paragraph that, hey, this is a mini. It's a mini, travel, on the go, mini. I just think that's kind of funny. But I think I will get use out of everything. I'm not sure about the brushes because I don't need any more brushes. And I keep asking myself, how long am I gonna have to, pretty soon I'm gonna have to end up canceling at some point, because if I'm getting brushes and mascara every month, I can't use it all. I mean, I already give a bunch of the stuff away as it is. So, and I know what my base box will be here, I think it said Saturday. And I heard a new thing that if you go to boxycharm.com/insert card, you'll be able to see what's in your box. And I tried it last night, and yes, indeed you can. I heard that on Elizabeth Wolf's YouTube channel, and I went right then and there, and I pulled it up, and I was like, oh, okay, now I know everything that's coming in the base box. And I feel like I just paid half price for the Elemis resurfacing pads, and then everything else is downhill from there. So that'll be an interesting unboxing, because the items that and this is at the point where I'm like, okay, do I just cancel this box or what? So I don't know. Once I have that and unbox it, you guys will have to let me know. Or if you go check boxycharm.com/insert card and you can see what's in your box, you'll have to let me know if you like what's in your box. Because like everything that I got in the box is like, great, that was the one thing I didn't want. Oh, I didn't want that. I didn't want that. I didn't want that. So one thing was, and I mean, I'm glad that they're letting us pick an item, because then that way at least I know I picked that item, and I chose the Elemis resurfacing pads, which are manufacturer's $59. So I paid $25, so I feel like I've kind of paid $25 for them, which is pretty good because it's over half price. So if you find one item that's worth more than the box, then you know it's worth it. And like I said, I'm going to use all of this stuff, and for 35 bucks, I think, you know, it's still a decent value. It's just when you have such a large collection, at some point you have to be like, you know what, I'm gonna have to stop for a while. But you know, the FOMO is so real. I'm afraid if I cancel, that I'm gonna watch someone and be like, oh, I want that. I wish I would have not canceled my box. So that's why I keep holding on. But I mean, I like getting it every month and testing the products and like showing you guys and hearing what you guys got. So that's the, you know, it offers me entertainment as well. And then it gives me content to make as well too. So anyhow, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, I would love if you would subscribe before you leave, and make sure to click the notification bell before you leave as well, and click all. And if you're a returning watcher, make sure you have your bell clicked as well. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.